Villages have stood the test of time, serving as the heartbeat of human civilization. Today, we journey to Supetar, a quaint fishing village nestled in Croatia, which has sparked an unprecedented vision. This vision comes to life in Adriatica, a unique development nestled in McKinney, Texas. Crafted by the visionary Jeffrey D. Blackard, Adriatica stands as the first of its kind in America, embodying the essence of village evolution. Through Adriatica, we witness the emergence of Neoretroism, a philosophy transcending the limitations of new urbanism. Neoretroism doesn't just build spaces, it breathes life into the community, marrying the wisdom of the past with the innovations of the present. Where new urbanism ends, Neoretroism flourishes, crafting environments that evolve organically, fostering connections and reviving the lost art of village life. This is Adriatica, the living testament to the philosophy of Neoretroism, a beacon of community and sustainable living for the future.